If you have problems with the adaptive cruise control in your Honda Clarity, the first thing you need to check is to check the radar and camera areas. The radar is located here behind this Honda logo, and you need to clean everything here with a soft cloth and maybe with some moisture or water, especially after you drive on highways. It's very dirty and the radar may not work. So this is the first thing to check, because in a lot of cases this is a DIY thing. You just clean it and everything comes back to normal. And also it's very important to make sure that this area here is clean, because you have the ACC camera, adaptive cruise control camera, here in this place, and you need to make sure that everything is great here, no fog in here, no mud here. So clean this place, clean the camera place. Also, if you're getting the ACC warnings when it's foggy outside, when it's raining, it's okay. For these cars, it's just okay. Just wait till the weather is better and the ACC will come back to normal. Also, in a lot of cases, you need to pay attention to any other warnings that you have on the dash. If you have some warning lights, warnings, messages here, they may affect, everything may affect ACC, adaptive cruise control. For example, ABS warnings will affect adaptive cruise control, TPMS warnings will affect adaptive cruise control, engine, check engine lights, whatever the problems with transmission, with engine, with whatever, they may affect and turn off the adaptive cruise control, and you will need to check all those warnings first, because adaptive cruise control is a dependent feature and it will turn off when something is wrong with your car. So this is how you can learn what's wrong with the vehicle.